Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song.
In a desert so dry, where the sun shone bright, stood a proud little rose, a wonderful sight. With petals of velvet so lush and so fair, she looked down on a cactus who stood lonely there. Oh, cactus so prickly, so dull and so green, you'll never be lovely, just look at me, queen. But the cactus stood tall, with a humble heart, knowing true beauty comes from within, not just art. The summer was scorching, the sun blazed above. The rose felt the heat, but she wouldn't move. Her petals grew weary, and her colors turned gray, while the cactus stayed strong, thriving day after day. Oh dear cactus, I've been so unkind. Can you help me now? Leave my pride behind. The cactus looks softly, I have water to share. Come close, dear rose, and we'll show that we care. With a gentle embrace, the cactus let flow a stream of sweet water to help the rose grow. Oh, thank you, dear cactus, you've saved me today. I've learned that true beauty is more than display. Now together they bloomed in the warm desert sun, respecting each other, two friends, not just one. In the oasis they thrived, both unique in their way, teaching all plants that kindness will stay. So remember this tale of the rose and the spines. True beauty is deeper, it's where love intertwines. For every small creature has a value so bright. It's the heart that we cherish that shines in the light.